Excellency Peter Gregory Obi was live in Gambia as he was welcomed in grand style. Okay guys, Peter Obi arrived Gambia in grand style. You have to see the massive crowd that turned out just to welcome him at the airport. Peter Obi's fame is not just in Nigeria alone, it is global, and not just global, also in Africa. He was welcomed with Nigerians and also Gambians who was present at the airport as they were saying, chanting his name as they welcomed him. Peter Obi will be speaking at the summit in Gambia. I'll be sharing with you a full highlight of how the whole thing is going to go down. Let's see how Peter Obi was welcomed.
Bobby.